Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I moved my office upstairs to merge it together with the gaming room that you've seen in other videos. I will put the link below in the description. Now the problem is I made a drawer where I put my Cricut machine and another drawer for my Epson printer. Now since I moved, the printing quality of the Epson is off. And I was thinking first that maybe I damaged the printer. I wouldn't know how because I took really good care. I also put the printer in transport position first before I moved it. So it took me like a week. And now I figured out why. Let me put the camera down. Maybe you can see it by yourself why it happens like that. And that's what I'm going to fix today. Now look at the drawer side, and if I now start printing something, so I started the print now, only 4 pages, only black and white. Usually black and white I don't see the issue, but when I was printing paper, real photo pictures, I had the problem, and you can see it here now. Due to the movement of the printer, the whole drawer shakes, and this shaking of the drawer causes the printer head to jump in lines. As I said, on black and white papers you don't see it, but if you do high quality photo print, where one print can take about 20 minutes, suddenly in between somewhere is a jump. So I'm building an extra floor here, connected to this, connected to the stand here. This way the drawer will not be, or the construct here will not be able to flaunt front and back anymore. Follow me to the workshop. Let's cut the wood. So yeah, you kind of missed the whole job in the workshop because my trusty GoPro camera fucked up again. I just tried to upload the videos because the camera was showing memory full, and only the first video is here before I go to the workshop. I don't know, I need a new camera. So the plate is already in place, now I have to screw it up, and yeah, join me for that, even though that kind of pisses me off that it didn't work out the other way around. Sorry for that. Yeah, join me. So I put this carton on there because it has almost the correct height, and then I can screw it up. At least that's the plan. As you can see, what I built here, it fits perfectly between the legs of the table, and I'm really happy with how it turned out, but I'm not happy that again the camera did not do as I wanted the camera to do. So, by the way, as I tried to explain before, this wood which I take here, which I use here, is actually the extension of the top plate, which I cut off when I shorted the table in the other video where I produced, where I moved and merged the 2 rooms together. So this is going to be the last job I'm doing before I go to the hospital next week. I don't know yet when I will have time to publish it, but you will definitely see it. So now what I have to do is, here I will drill holes directly into the legs of the table and yeah, fix it to the leg, that there can't be any shaking anymore. So this should be the correct height. Come closer so you can see it. So I'm just drilling straight into the steel. It's a 5 mm screw, wood screw, self-cutting wood screw, and I made a 3.5 mm hole, so this screw will now thread itself in the hole, and there's no way to make that any stronger than that. So one more hole and then we are done. This one completely in. So, and that was it for today. I will test the printer now. I'm pretty sure it will work. If it doesn't work, there will be a follow-up video to fix the printer problem. Wish you a wonderful day. Thanks for joining in, and I hope you like the video. Come back for more. Bye bye.